In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock computer players on chess.com, also known as bots, and I'll explain the official way to access the full collection, plus what free players can still use. If you've ever opened the computer section and noticed that some opponents are locked, this tutorial will help you understand exactly why that happens and what your options are. This is a simple guide, and by the end, you'll know how to reach the computer play area, how premium membership affects access, and how to unlock more bots the right way. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it a lot. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to chess.com. Once you're on the site, look for the play section. From there, choose computer. This is where all of the computer players or bots are listed. If you're using a free account, you may notice that only some bots are available right away, while others have lock icons beside them. That's completely normal, and it usually means those bots are part of the premium experience. Now, if your goal is to unlock all computer players, the official method is to get a premium membership. On the chess.com sidebar or account area, look for the membership or upgrade button. Click that, and chess.com will show you the available plans. Usually these include gold, platinum, and diamond. Each plan comes with different features, but the main thing to know here is that premium membership is what unlocks the full library of bots. Take a moment to review the plans carefully. If you play a lot of bot games, or you want access to higher level bots, streamer bots, and special celebrity bots, then upgrading may be the best option for you. Once you choose the plan that fits your needs, follow the checkout process and complete the subscription. After that, go back to play and then computer again. You should now see that many of the lock icons are gone and the full list of bots is available for you to challenge. If you are using a free basic account, you still have some options. You may not get the entire bot library, but you can still unlock more computer players by progressing through the available ranks. Start by going to the play menu and selecting computer. Then choose the first available bot in a category, such as Martin in the beginner section. As you play and move through the different computer levels, additional bots can become available to you. So even without premium, you can still enjoy a lot of practice and gradually work your way through the available opponents. This is especially useful if you're learning chess and want to build confidence before facing stronger opponents. The beginner bots are a great place to start, and as you improve, you can move up through harder levels. That way you can keep practicing at your own pace without feeling overwhelmed. So to recap, if you want full access to all computer players on chess.com, the official way is to upgrade to a premium plan. If you want to stay on a free account, you can still access some bots and unlock more by playing through the available categories. Either way, the computer section is a great place to practice openings, endgames, tactics, and overall strategy. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.